Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a business owner or marketer looking to boost your professional presence in 2025, creating a company page on LinkedIn is a must. It's a powerful tool for networking, attracting talent, and showcasing your brand to millions of users. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get your page up and running quickly and effectively. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create a personal profile because you'll need it to manage the company page. Once you're in, head over to the top search bar and type in LinkedIn Pages or navigate directly to the Work icon on your homepage. Look for the option that says Create a Company Page. This is your gateway to getting started. Now, LinkedIn might have some updates by 2025, but based on current trends, you'll be prompted to select the type of page you want, such as a small business, large company, or showcase page. Choose the one that fits your needs. Next, fill in the basic details: your company name, website URL, industry, company size, and a brief description. Don't forget to upload a high-quality logo and a cover photo to make your page visually appealing. As you progress, add more specifics like your company's location, specialties, and any hashtags you want to associate with. LinkedIn will ask you to verify your page, which often involves confirming your email or linking it to your website. Once verified, start posting. Share updates, job openings, or industry insights to engage your audience right away. One pro tip for 2025. With AI integrations on the rise, consider using LinkedIn's analytics tools to track engagement and refine your content strategy. And remember, a great company page is all about authenticity and interaction, so respond to comments and messages promptly. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a professional company page that stands out. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.